Good day to all. So we will see how we can manage our research papers efficiently and how to take notes, how to read and all. So with that, we can effectively do that with Zotero, the reference management tool, as well as with Notion, which will act as a database. So in the screen, you can see that this is my Zotero and I've added a few literature review papers. And to the left side, you can see the folders which we can call that as a collections. So here if I take any one, let's say take we can divide into different segments according to the area. Let's take I opened this already up, this one I already up, and here you can just mark, annotate, and you can mark as you do in the paper. So in digital wise it's always easy to get and transfer information. So you can see a Notion file is also added along with the PDF. So if I open it, it will directly open my Notion. The Notion is actually, we can use that as a project management, as well as we can use this as a basic database. So you can see that it went directly to that paper. You can see the Offner et al. Paper, and it has beautifully elaborated all these, populated all these things. If you're doing it in Excel, we have to populate personally, but here it automatically gets populated, and we can use this also. And I've written this paper in detail, what are the things, so I can mark and I can annotate this all. So into the left side you can see the Notero that is happening here. You can see that we can make this as a database, it automatically populates. We can check the status whether these are the things that we can do personally, can do that. So this is actually, I've added this paper, so I'm in progress, so I'm in doing literature review. So if you see, this is a latest paper that I added. If you go and open that particular page, you can see this is already populated. You can see that I have added in 31st, yesterday I have added. And I need to write about all, what are the things I got from the paper. So from directly from Zotero, we can go move on instead of moving with Excel and doing with Word. It's very time consuming and energy. So time and energy are spent. So using both Zotero as well as with Notion, we can do it very easily. So that is a very advantageous. So this will be the how-to steps I have added in the caption, and you can go and check. So it will be very useful for you.